early morning, 5:30 in the morning in Norwich train station. Off I go to the seaside. Sorry for the shaking. I'm using my phone and I have to rush. So there, gorgeous building. On the train to Lowestoft. Wow, these seats look like first class, but I didn't see any signage outside. So there are the toilets, wheelchair accessible, so wheelchair can sit here. Oh wow, I like the train. What's this? Oh, maybe that's where the diesel sits. Sit here. This is the time, 25 to 6 in the morning. It's a Tuesday morning. Oh no, it's a Wednesday morning, sorry. That's how early it is. And yeah, so there's a place to place your luggage. The train is clean, I like that. Very spacious, lots of legroom. Nice neat table.
Welcome to this service for Lowestoft. We will be calling at Brundall Gardens, Brundall, Cantley, Reedham, Haddiscoe, Somerleyton, Alton Broad North and Lowestoft.
We'll be calling at Brundall Gardens, Brundall, Cantley, Reedham, Haddiscoe, Somerleyton, Alton Broad North, due to arrival to Lowestoft at 6:21. This is your 5:36 Greater Anglia service to Lowestoft.
The next stop will be Brundall Gardens.
There's heating on this train. It's on already and we are in September. Sun is rising. Oh, gorgeous.
We are now approaching Reedham. Welcome to this service for Lowestoft. The next stop will be Welcome to this service for Lowestoft. The next stop will be Somerleyton. Welcome to this service for Lowestoft. The next stop will be Alton Broad North. Welcome to this service for Lowestoft. We will be calling at Lowestoft.
We are now arriving into Lowestoft where this train terminates. When you leave the train, please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you. On behalf of Great Wrangler and your train crew, thank you for travelling with us today. Lowestoft is your next and final station.
We are now approaching Lowestoft, where this train terminates. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it. Lowestoft, this train will now terminate here. All change, please.
Amazing, look at this. So the gap is smaller. So this is Lowestoft station. The time now is 6:20 in the morning. Early birds things. And this is how the area around the station looks. Some information there, lots of it. And this is the train that I came with. So this is the train. Amazing carriage. So that's it, my journey to Lowestoft. Well, the area around the station is cool. Lots of seating. And there's the station building. So look. Oh, installed to commemorate coronation of King Charles III. Station building, flowers. Which is the way out? Oh, way out is that way. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nice and neat and clean. And there is a man there cleaning. And you can tap in and tap out there. Cool. Again, the train from the other side. Nice lanterns. Way out when ticket office is closed. Okay. And there's a tap out. Alright. So that's it. Lowestoft Station.